Hello, we are discussing about GATE 1997 ECE paper, and this question is related to analog circuits. A half-wave rectifier uses a diode with a forward resistance RF. The voltage is Vm sin omega t and the load resistance is RL. The DC current is, there are four options are given. What is the DC current present in a half-wave rectifier which uses a practical diode with forward resistance of RF, and the input voltage is given as Vm sin omega t. Okay, so we know that one for half-wave rectifier, we know the equation of DC current for half-wave rectifier IDC. DC current, it is also called as average current. IDC or IV average is equal to Im by pi, where Im is nothing but peak value of input current, that is current flowing through the diode. To calculate Im, we must draw the half-wave rectifier. From that one we are going to analyze. So the simple half-wave rectifier is going to be looks like this one. This is half-wave rectifier with input voltage is given as Vm sin omega t is going to be the input signal applied, and this is diode D which has forward resistance of RF and it is load RL. So whenever the diode is forward bias, at that time the equivalent circuit is looks like this one. Diode is replaced with RF and it is connected with RL, and the supplied voltage is nothing but Vm sin omega t. Vm sin omega t. So whenever diode is forward bias, a current flows, that current say it as I. So I is equal to, we can write it as I is equal to input voltage Vm sin omega t divided by RF plus RL, and this we can write it as Vm divided by RF plus RL into sin omega t. So this Vm by RF plus RL is nothing but peak value of the current, so we can write it as Im sin omega t. So the maximum value of the current flowing through the diode is nothing but Vm by RF plus RL. Since maximum means sin 90, which will be taken as 1. The sin value is going to be having a maximum of 1, that 1 into this value. So I maximum, Im is equal to Vm by RF plus RL. We can write it as Im is equal to Vm divided by RF plus RL. So from this one, IDC is equal to Im by pi. Im by pi is nothing but Vm divided by pi times of RF plus RL. This is what the DC current flowing through the half-wave rectifier which has a diode with forward resistance of RF. So the right answer for this question is B, Vm divided by pi times of RF plus RL. Thank you.